Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today we're going to be looking at the HaloLock Shift wireless charger. Now this is a really cool and useful accessory for the desk that ESR has sent to me to review, and I just really wanted to highlight some of the features and show you what it's like. So first thing, looking at it, it's interesting because it is USB-C powered. Now one thing that's cool about this is that the wireless charger itself is able to be removed from the stand. So you can put the wireless charger on in many different ways, and you can also attach the phone to the wireless charger in many different ways. And then the wireless charger and the phone can come off of the stand so that you can keep charging while using your phone, and then you can put it back. Another thing that's really cool is that it has this adjustable ball joint, and you can change the viewing angle very quick way by adjusting the knob. I'm going to go ahead and connect it, and just one thing to note is that it does want like a USB-C power delivery adapter, something that's like 9 volt to amp or higher, so 18 watts or higher. If you want, you could also stick the base to your desk. I didn't find that necessary since it is weighted, so the stand itself is heavy. You don't need necessarily to use this reusable adhesive pad. So when you put the phone on it, if you have an iPhone 12 or 13 with MagSafe, it works directly with this HaloLock magnetic feature. So it's very strong and it just connects, and you can use it in landscape or portrait modes. So it's really cool if you want to watch something or if you want to FaceTime someone. And what you can see here is that able to connect to the stand in a variety of ways, and it doesn't have to be exact. So it is very strong, and the magnets are very strong as well, and it's definitely easy to use. The only thing I wish is that I had a MagSafe or HaloLock compatible case. So I told them that, and they also sent me this protective phone case, which is basically the same as the case I was using before, except it is HaloLock or MagSafe compatible. So this is what it looks like without the phone. So I'm just going to put my phone in it, which is an iPhone 13 Pro. You'll see that it works just as well as without a case, and that's kind of what you want here. So putting the phone back on, you'll see that you get fast magnetic wireless charging. You can basically just use your phone in a hands-free way for FaceTime calls, music, videos. It has a weighted stand, and it's customizable. So be sure to like and subscribe, and check out below 10% off coupon if you use the ESR HaloLock coupon code. This will work in Amazon US or UK, and be sure to check it out. See you in the next one.